secure to mga maliliit. This secure to mga maliliit kaya you know because my sigi main ingredient onion extract kaya ubagi onion extract na main ingredient ubagi ado lokso pa kami then plus my fungal na sagi fungals may hato po kami ado ka one of the part mana nasay nasa hayo do supplement ko haidi ako'y na oil se client na introduce to bumatanda oil sinang recommend my dandruff lay hair ka oil sinang recommend to work mahuta ako'y hindi sana hair this is the marketing company so oil sinang recommend to bumatanda ako'y nagkari product among supplement PVR mamong nagkari among pira di had more benefit na say 100% ay perfection 100% ay kanaba benefit to kamay na pangan gadage hair kanadi ay oil sinang recommend to ba ato pa company magi shampoo ma recommend to sudati karadreka so si shampoo shima si oil shima recommend to bumatanda any one of this shampoo you can recommend ani si mar amay to recommend to where ko ana amay to recommend to where shina kai no hair kanadi ngasay si katana control to ba na to ngasay cleaning process mo suda kawe ko ako'y nasa dandruff to si sina loy na nasa fungal infection to loy hato loy lo to matuda wash to pop the kawe tra clean wash to pop the kawe to the target another shampoo mana wash to hota di ako'y company ke kanat atra so see any one of these any shampoo ma recommend to we ai kai no hair kan di nasa dandruff ma'am ako'y na lo to ki ba ma'am ha ki ba ma'am to Sili shampoo shina wash to topi target sagi to locha ke dene kai no double hai di kai no ha kan si besu sai dandruff control yawe ko mo deso because of the charcoal sina ke gawe mai sai exfoliation ki process mo su yahole ko scrub ki process mo yahole metra adu duna si ma recommend to boda si should recommend to we ai kai no sai ki dandruff lo to ko matunda exfoliation ma sai ki charcoal duna loi wash to topi target he double clean oil duna adu duna Ponto, sino ka tang sale to boda, even sino su yaudra. So, aduna ni hai se client ako'y na po isipa bani hata hai ni nota. Mo the require hen ba to. I think ma'am seasonal require seasonal wash to wash mina oil there matunda ako'y nga sai dandruff se wash to topi ba man ka oil. Ado wash to pai se any shampoo mo na to mo the seasonal to ta ga di mai masagi charcoal su yaw exfoliation process ma su yaw ni na masagi dandruff fungal infection में आप तो चीज़ clean तो थोड़ा ता दिखे ना double करो मसूद कोई and one important thing कमना अकोई ना company अमा any company हाइडर को company अमा की पोट अमा अकोई ना sale तो वो मतलब दा company दुगी same company दुगी पोट अमा sale तो जाते हैं क्या ना तेरा माई company अमा ना सारा को production से माई pH level से लो इन्हें maintain तो वाला करने को pH level is very important. pH level maintain to the target ako'y nasagi po sa example burning show so ako'y na sige company sila sarap pa magi pH level diba another company naman sarap pa pH level diba different way pa so kay may product ki ingredient ki matumi na may pH level sa diba ikinali nga to diba so ito maintain to na si moya no si was use to raga I think ato pa sa use to ya diba ay isa po sila ito high rank pa ya ba kapag sa hair ka niba ay shampoo ay dandruff ki shampoo do use to jari na hair pa ya ba adu kada kay answer arise to ba ya ge hair kada si sa hygiene ba natin ko it's very compulsory kay no hair kada de ma'am ya de have na te yai but to boda bu kay no hair kada company report amagi amo kay use to the tautar ga di mai na sa pH level do maintain to da ba na he na kana ga do phang mo he na recommend to be ya adu tayar na ni ako'y product mo ta jabardasti on manate ba natra mom require by very heavy with it if he or she even want then okay fine natra adana yam ako'y na po se recommend to mo man to so yam na har mo de to beta ka hoye ba this is a standard product more ingredients are like that so say Kasi sa nahar da dum moi loi thi nga te loi khang nga te ne kasi angang mo chapik tu mo bok da kano Google pa kai te ka nam yaw na te ba moi hen smart re aduna adumai na recommend aduna pot ama recommend to ma tab da pot ama yari da supplement to idi karam na hen more benefit hoy ga ge to adumai na recommend to mo bo na bi Yes, and one wonderful point amana kaino har kanda akogi ngasagi kaino se huzikandi sulfate every shampoo gudi mukta sulfate yam darkar hoyego sulfate ko yawe neba sulfate free shampoo huzikandi keratin to mami gudi mukta sulfate free shampoo use to high kai patte ke takina teba koigi sulfate na kai dawan ge har ka koigi sums de yaw proteins se every wash kudingi normal shampoo any normal shampoo sina moida sulfates na kai dawan ge kan akoi sam chide yaw ba keratin se every wash kudingi some percent karga ja mana loina nothokri neba because of that aduna kai dore ino ha kan akoi ngasai problem am se dullness lakpa and then like brittles and then adu am do lai neba aduna ne conditioner shi am compulsory hoye hai te kan te ina teba adu kai ina ni ngasai sulfate tuna magi keratin sin to sum bi lothok te ire adu ba am ka ngasai mai conditioning agents me amai darkar hoye ba nutrients phangara me am ta happy dramina problem compulsory lakta neba so Kedogidagi har kanda one more point samana si ngasai si onions na keratin to form to matamda yam health to way na hai ko si se keratin ki main ingredients ne na hai so apaina si recommend to matamda any si shampoo se recommend to one point maga si recommend to hai na hai is they can take in deba one most best part mana what this shampoo this is all the sulfate free shampoo sulfate free shampoo and one thing sulfate free shampoo oraga kai gidamakta sulfate yaudana kamaina cleaning is yaudra kamaina wash todina compulsory question era sokadi natra sulfate agent hai sulfates na wash todine clean todine ba aduga kamaina sulfate yaudana kamaina nang shampoo kamaina kai no ne hydrona adu target mai says the yaudra ingredients heavy bunda ka hoiba kai gino Asai clean to do se kaino. She is about to use charcoal exfoliation process. That means the cleaning process. She may yaure ko. Then she should na kai yaure. My supplement. Asai koi sulfate to be and this substitute high ko. Substitute agent se. So is the yaure se na apple cider vinegar se. She na asai my sulfate na to go do mathau do. She na to male. That's it. Shampoo se na charcoal se na to male. Do I recommend to be there. Mise mare ye kya hai? ठीक है तो नहीं बा. sulfate yaw na kumain ng shampoo kumain clean to hai no hai kaneba aduna magi ingredients register yaw be ingredients explain to mo da ka hoy maxi se sulfate free shampoo ne but to go do sulfate free shampoo ne hai na kumain sulfate yaw na kumain shampoo kumain clean to hoy na sam kumain wash to kumain clean to hoy no hai adu tell me the ingredients yaw charcoal is my process kai no exfoliation process on a clean to ready then more comes the yaw ne kai no apple cider vinegar extract season of my recycling process. So this is a sulfate free shampoo again. Come. Yeah, you go. Next. Right to there go. Don't click the late idea, do not to be all the got okay, what was about. Music. Yeah. Okay, break matunda first. Break matunda beauty and then see it's not to collectors. Any doubt like when you collect of your other discuss. Yeah, I come to okay, me, you know, like happy way. That's it. Tell me right now. Onion oil, wait, see, ma'am, yeah, my question is, I has again. Heidi, ma'am, see, my sister, ma, see, say, natural oil, say, recommend to wear. अदुगा मागी scalp से लोइना तांगे है को अदुदा सिगी oil से recommend तो है अदु हुजिकी मी सिगी complaint से sister सिगी complaint से ना कहीं ना है काना oil से use तो बुम मतलब दा नुआइते then plus मागी केनो से हेडी benefit तो उदे है को अदु मैम से ना है सिना सी and इसे recommend तो रखा double recommend तो रखा दे benefit को रखा जाना के ये लोग सही oil ने को चमा नहीं and then one point how to use mark use to get it ado tang hangyo ai na sai je gi ni use to gi mo se and then amana akoi na skill tang he se skill tang su makhala ni le ko kai gu ba akoi gi skill se lista force le goi di force matlab like tang ma su lang trick lang na tang ba ma le then na ta ba chung na tang ba su le ko head sign we gra ba lang gra ba ko but do you buy it? I think we are right. That is right. Then plus the last option I don't have the amount of hair plantation. That's an option. But the who's the problem to the I can't tell the man by the to my sign or the time when some of the hair loss car way. Look at you guide I didn't see recommend to recommend to Biraka Togo the way how to use Makamina. Use to get have the other Katam Takandu Pio, Aduga Mana, use the woman of the oil to any size to penetrate the Dragaticana Deva. Both say use the woman of the Aquatic boat to Panga used to Dragaticana Deva. Other mines I report to use the woman of the penetrate Tomonogi the Kawa. Other mines I used to put any height, Lumulusa, Laga, cotton, raft to Pio, and then circle wise, anti clockwise, and then clockwise, the massage to Pio, then wrap to Pio, and then Manaka Matha, the Shilla Maga. Nusara chala main khalo 10 particles में आगे चला main khalo problem तो अतो देखिए तो कुछ नहीं आएगा को मुझे किसी certain नाम तक consult हम bio मान कमाई use तो क्या है बतो आई अतो दाम use तो bio after that what of this ini हमें है use तो bio any recommend तो bio
hair oil से apply तो मतलब नहीं साथ में या
hair oil से apply तो मतलब दाल साथ में या दे है में mixing चीनी है तो compulsory way है भी नहीं देखो कहीं ना है कि oil है सिर्फ वो अपनी अन्ना पपोट है सिर्फ वो मापान से इफुल लोग कोई पैसे लेता है ना पकी chances है या ही ले लेना अदो क्या वाने बा को कैसे वो किसी वॉशर का उसे पकड़ ठोक से बको गाड़ी में चाहता हूँ चसे बा कहीं से वॉशर लाए अदो गाड़ी में चाहता हूँ चसे बा हलाको मत तो some condition कमाई तो है कितने क्लावे full of Dutch हाँ then scale to call over apa pe ko pama ta ngayon gani ba normal shampoo conditioner luraga chat pam hog bada adu mai oiga thau to shela laga chat therapy sagi pot apa option bagi chances later adu gi wa
every day no passing gi adu use tawina adu nuti gi shampoo se season aba nuti gi hair oil season da kai ba later bro
no problem because you know hai kan di Nupa di ola sort here ko. No yung team mga tane. Nupi di sometimes ako something type to roga chat pa siya we. Thado ka chat pa siya we. Nupa some volume ka nupi volume ka kisma udum khatang dikhne ko. Ado jana nupi di ako some pula ka chat pa siya matham tadam da yam the 10 particles yam nakale. Ado nupa di some to ten company na hen option lagi chances and then hen 10 ko hen chang lagi chances yam leba. Ana yare di nupa di everyday wash to buy and then everyday shampoo conditioner compulsory to buy am takaw ano ba tong bola mo ako'y na dupali ay mo tong oil siya use to na tra ano oil siya use to bali na every time ako'y na wash to bio hay sa take at gina tika oil siya use to or ni chan or ni thao no loy mamo ko na ay napsala ni next day the wash of the third and then double na mo ka napsala ni ano na kay do ni dandruff form to ni hair falls problem ay sa hay problems na ako oil lang Nupano the brackets like they have one in, damage or they have one in. My main problem they kind of start to get over, but dandruff, hair falls, this is the part they have to cover. I do cover.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sagi onion oil je sinna baje hoi hard dandruff nafsal lebi je sinna baje hai ada shampoo da di na sagi charcoal di shampoo je sinna bada ena damage la kane hai ꯆꯥꯔꯀꯣꯜ ꯁꯝꯄꯨꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯅꯞꯁꯜꯂ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯨꯗꯗꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯗꯦꯃꯦꯖ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯊꯥꯎꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯣꯅꯤꯌꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯜ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯁꯝꯄꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯔꯤꯀꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯧ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯀꯟꯗꯤꯁꯟꯗꯣ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯔꯀꯣꯜꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯥꯎꯗ ꯇꯩꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯣꯔ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ?
Good question. I kind of highlight as I see is one of the things I did that I'm gonna put the kind of damage way and high recommend to go on high go. Aduga I don't know high give it. C is a use to moment of the C recommend to go yeah I say I think I'm taking a table. Kay you know Nasai ama to the C katan use to go moment of the day Nasai dandruff to no two of the high never mind number not try. Ado C should not only go to the kay. Nasai fungals number label to the see the kill to go on अदुगा सीना तो उद्देश्य दिखे ना only wash तो थोकी तो एक तने बा नसाइगे सीना लो थोपम हम दबो पोतो हार को हम दबो पोतो सीना हार हम तो सीना wash तो वो दिखे शुक्र देना
कोई प्रोडक्ट कोई परागत फ्री है और परागत फ्री
Paraben size है massive substance कहीं और मने को heading some like chemicals some मने बा Paraben से ना कहीं लोग यहाँ का smiley C substance you any like cream oil and then like hair products oil adu hum bata loine yawa lebar ya matlab any company ko de matlab loy yawa ba adu ne ena na sakai se paraben free dan sulfate free hai se they can tena te paraben sina kai do ye ha ka da masi su samna ha ba akoi ki cleaning process ki kai no as a namane ba masi su ko adu ka ngasai ki sidai se ena sakai do sulfate free shampoo hai ko sulfate free shampoo where matunda the mind is clean to number substitute asaki sulfate to gi substitute no di yaw rahi dena adu mana same condition paraben free hai sina si paraben sina ya half me akoy de yam toila use nasai sana hai do akoy na sulfate se tu hiding any shampoo je sulfate loy content to hai sulfate every time so wash to go akoy keratin se so mang gi do na hai it's the same condition asai paraben hai go process my cleaning process kumba adu kumba agent amane so adu duna kai doge ha kana mana wash to go matam mana use to sum to go matam de dinga sagi akoi skin do regana collagen black ko rutine then plus ngasai collagen to form to go matam da mai pathak bagi process la ne then ngasai sulfate na kai do re ngasai keratin sam de gam keratin to sum mang ta rutine tra adu minus same condition paraben duna one time use to go katam da loina kai to we have the thing adu agent my country sam na have ngasai cleaning agent adu bane aduna paraben any product ko da any company amada paraben free way hai taragadi paraben free way taragadi compulsory there should be one kind of my substitute agent adu da tawriba my agent do not tawriba mathau do adu dugi substitute agent amada compulsory yaw thoeba nata de how kamai na my photo kamai use even shampoo way cleaning process ni man tawri na tra adai sulfate free way hai sulfate free way tardi adu gi sulfate to yaw da taragadi sulfate to na tawriba mathau do tawriba pot substitute product and then ingredients amani darkar hoidena adu gi pot substitute to adu do yawhala to darkar hoy adu ka point yeah
some can ba mani try to subject kadi ke pa la ka ma to
some yes some dry with the some dry with what matam dadi masai ina hajar kare best products Moroccans is there Moroccans quality most conditioning agent and then plus aduga my scalp ka layer ba problem am dry hoy bahai sabu masai ina hajar ke do dry hai frizziness then plus chemical yam excess when use to bagi permanent yam to bagi color yam some bagi chemical yam damage chemical use to bagi dry hoy makhala ko and then my second keratin se sum mangda rak bagi sai sulfate yaw ba sample am use to bagi keratin se sum mangda rak bagi dry hoy ko makhala makha mayam lai aduna nena sa hygiene do masai any client amada aina product amar recommend to dringa product amar introduce to dringa magi history and then what he or she is required mana required very go poche karino magi problem se karino hai do hana understand to be da ka weba ana musi mana hai dry hai do karam makhal bi dry no masi na chemically dry hoy ma ba hey color and somebody and then no jagana hey some kaino to bagi freezing way bagumba de straining mo to bagi am entire day you can recommend this one ko Moroccan recommend to yare then either mado include that hair fall yaure khala se ko hair fall plus dandruff yaure me se you can recommend any oil same is not any oil I recommend to yare adune ina haijaido permanent yamna toina to bahai se kaino permanent hai se chemical process ne ba ko ba se chemical process ne ba permanent is the chemical process aina na sa haija kindo sai se yawi ba bone se medulla bone se sigi bone se sisi ne ba sigi bone se is the makha mai bones macha kaino me me yawi ba Sesina mai se system oina leiba natraga roi chai na leiba yawi ba kana kuma akoi sam yam straight oi ba naturally straight masagi already hopefully straight oi ba mi sing se magi system manung da yawza ba magi keno sing se bones macha yawi ba ko sigi bones me am se pura regular form da le ni ba uniform form da leiba ni da makta magi some district where they neba kana kuma some portion kana wavy oi yawe some portion kana maggie curls oi yawe ko adu tuna kai do ge ha kana mai se se lai go bon se pura disorder oi lai be neba pura uniform da lai da hai dai adu masa gi straightening process na taurishi kai no ha kana magi straightening any straightening process any straightening cream ko magi any company ki hai ta lai vela then shots ko blah blah and one company ki am lai vela adu mame am se sa Magi chemical ama khagyawe ammonium thioglycolate na ko ammonium thioglycolate na kai dong no ha kan mai se yawi ba bones se is a break to han ne ba khakra mai bones se bai thugai ne masai tu uniform ne le ba bones se masai cream se na bones se thugai ne ba thugai ma tum to kai da ya ko straightening chape ko iron chapa kanda kai do da ke har kanda masai bones to loi kai do na uniform or le mas adu kanda iron chapa kanda de masai ki se yawi go bones se straight go hela ne ba sai iron na shape bi ne ba my bones se pro uniform da tham ne ba adu last ta ko na cream ma te ko the na bi ko neutralizers na kai no har kanda neutralizers ne yawi is a hydrogen peroxide ne neutralizers na kai matham to ge har kanda mai sai ki bones sai ki ko na shape bi go bones se this is fixed to be one late na ba adu khaki wan to kai no sai ki ammonium thioglycolate hai se chemical ne ba chemical po to so ha chan some to the tower ka some to the damage ta shan ta adu ki damage ko what to recommend to we have say my to dry any then plus adu na ne akoi na doctor li kanda doctor li bachang lo kanda doctor li dak ngam mi de dak to chabi o si time ta chabi o si to bio and then si bajana chaw ha kanda de no machari no makani ni phagi ni mitadi to gaya to kare adu di mai na do ka hore it's the same condition chamane aduna kaidoge ha kanda masai akoi na hayu masai dryness masai gi straining process ka kamam chemical to sumta raga need na de like expert la de compulsory recommend to raga ni ba si to matum ta si shampoo season na view ko si conditioner ko jana season na view ko ana season na ramai ba de de kai jorani problem me starting aduna adu ko mame am to prevent to boya haidi akoina kaina to buya ka de ha ka de adu gum condition la karam product recommend to buya ge ha ka de Moroccan soil and then sisuya sis na kai matham to no ha ka da asai sis the onions to keratin develop to boda yam health to we ha ko adu na keratin se mana health to buni na kai do ge ha ka da what is p target hela sabse best way ni kai no ha ka da sagi dryness we begi and then frizziness we begi to na sina control to already plus my in case some to the keratin manam ba keratin black we target di sina refill to so one of this
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅ ꯍꯦꯌꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯜꯁꯦ ꯇꯩꯗꯅ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯌꯔ ꯖꯦꯜꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯍꯦꯌꯔ ꯖꯦꯜꯁꯦ ꯁꯣꯐ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯔꯠ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯦꯌꯔ ꯁꯄ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯅꯤꯐꯤꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯌꯨ
Yes, hair spray and then hair gel. Adugumba mayamdudi that's all the styling product. Moi the styling product ni ko. Moina akoi samsida kanan binateba. Haidi samna haida samki style to na bagi product. Any gel, any like spray, moi is going styling product. styling products is the conditioning as in the binary like one. So man importantly regular wash with a conditioner. So सबसे best, why is सबसे best products every day you have to wash this and then whatever styling product you can use. I like spray use to get a gel hard to get a strong use to get a double hard gel use to get a whatever you want you can use.
कोई बिजनेस सिंगी से कोई मामा में तो मैं तो बाक्सिंग देखो कोई बाक्सिंग सिना मतलब सुकी मत क्या हम भाई आने को ले मैं हैवी ग्रेप को कोई सिंगी से कोई मतलब ताता हो गया तो कोई उठो पे आ कोई सुन लो इसकी शादी ले मैं हाजी kan knowledge
but that highly chini is the natural product, that's the natural product ko aduga physical उसे तो मैं आना खाना था मैं bottle जो था ना मैं वो ले खाना बस so that's the base product but मतलब वो आई कैसे है तो मतलब ये how to use कमाने use तो दोनों को तो other products है आपको इसी research तो उधर भी नहीं आना खाना था हाई मैं तो साइड याव रिबा चिनी याव रिबा protein में हमसे हाई तारे को सी कमाने preserve तो बड़ी आगे है तो दी अदु की पोतो अदुगी कमाइना सीजे क्या कोई ना सना शैम्पू है शैम्पू जे मागी एक्सपायरी डेट में है कई दिन में तो मागी अदुगी डेट यावरे में बाबागी प्रिजर्व तो नवा मागी इंग्रेडिएंट्स हम दिया होगा नहीं देना अदुगना क्या लॉन्ग लास्ट प्रिजर्व तो वंगा में है तो माने सेम कंडीशन है तो माने कोई चिंगी की सो तो माने थीटा एग्जांपल से भी याद है
We will try this was the last question I had. The next question from Nimrita. So, break welcome ma'am. We never listen to this. This is the last question. This is almost 2:45. Due to the time, we are very sorry.
Ma'am, now I'm going to